ReadSpeaker TextAid. The technology for literacy support. ReadSpeaker TextAid is a 100 web-based personal reading assistant for readers and learners. With ReadSpeaker TextAid, users can listen to any text on any device. The ReadSpeaker TextAid window has a toolbar on the left with all functionalities which can be expanded to full width. Users can copy and paste text to listen to in the TextAid window. After copying and pasting the text, simply click the play button to start listening.
The Rosetta Stone is a granodiorite stele inscribed with a decree issued at Memphis, Egypt, in 196 BC on behalf of King Ptolemy V.
With synchronized highlighting, users can follow along with the audio. If desired, user can translate this text to a number of different languages and listen to the translated text in the language of their choice.
De Rosetta Stone is een granodiorite stele ingeschreven met een decreet uitgegeven tegen Memphis, Egypte.
Voice and text settings allow the user to set his or her individual preferences. The voice speed can be adjusted. Text color, background color, text size, font face, and line spacing can also be adjusted. Highlighting colors can be adjusted on a sentence or word level. Additionally, the text color can be changed. ReadSpeaker TextAid also offers writing assistance where users can listen to what they have typed on a character, word, and/or sentence level.
There. Rosetta Stone is a granodiorite stele.
Users can format the text in the TextAid window. This text can then be saved to the user's personal library for future use. ReadSpeaker TextAid also offers a number of additional accessibility tools. With the page masking tool, it is easy for users to focus on a few lines of text. Similarly, the reading ruler allows the user to read text line by line. The talking calculator can be helpful as well. With My Documents, users can upload their own documents to their personal library. These documents can be listened to with ReadSpeaker Doc Reader, which is fully integrated into TextAid.
In the last 5 years, education has been changing in so many ways so quickly that it can be difficult to tell what all this upheaval will lead to.
If users would like more information about a specific word or phrase, it is possible to look up this word on the web or within Wikipedia. ReadSpeaker TextAid can also be used to convert with image to text. Upload an image and have it automatically converted into an editable text or a read-only PDF document. With TextAid Web Reader, users can listen to websites using the Bookmarklet. Simply follow the instructions to add the bookmark tool to the browser. Once the tool is added, navigate to a website to listen to that content. Click on the TextAid Web Reader button, and the ReadSpeaker Listen button will appear.
Reporters pounced, and a camera lens shattered on the ground. Muscular men wearing International Yoga Day t-shirts held back the crowd.
Listen to most web pages using ReadSpeaker TextAid. In short, ReadSpeaker TextAid is easy to use with multiple tools to assist in reading, writing and comprehension.